Good morning, boys. Hope you're well. I'll try and make this video short this morning. So today you're continuing on what you began with maths yesterday. So that's fishy figures for the delta and gamma boys. And it's sunburst and an extra problem-solving question for the X-ray maths boys. That extra problem-solving question, X-ray boys, is this one here. It's an Otago problem-solving page from 2015. And you can tackle what you can of that. It might be like the last two, which are the hardest. I'm not quite sure how much time you'll have, but that's there for you. After maths, you boys have got writing, so you'll be ticking away with that, and then after that you've got science. Now you notice these little tick boxes here on the side aren't being filled out by me at the moment. Instead, I've got a thing here where I'm filling things out according to how people are going. And the deal with that is if you've got a 1 next to your name, then it's done as I hoped. If you've got a 2 next to your name, then there's a few things that you need to sort out. If you've got a 3 next to your name, then you've got a good amount of catch up to do. And if there's a 4 next to your name, that's like an alarm. The work's just not getting done. You might have only just barely started it. Let me give you an example of this. This is from the Khan Academy. And if I go to, this is X-rays work here. These boys had to, you had to do all of that page, all of this page, and you had to get up to approximating square roots. So let's just, and I know that the videos weren't showing, so I'm looking at who's done these pen ones. So on this page there's one there, okay? These boys had to do it. So that's that. So I'm looking at those there. Those 4 boys have done it. These guys have not done it. So these guys are potentially the people that would get 1s. I just need to go back to the previous page. Have they been doing all of the pen ones? No, this one here is missing for Neil, and this one here is missing for Neil, even though he got up to the latest one. All of these boys are missing. And then the first page, quite a lot done. And look here, look at the hundreds. Hundreds, but then some things are done like quite quickly. Where there's a red, 40, 50, 25. I don't think that's, I'm putting that down to being rushed and maybe not looking at things. Next page. Some of the things are rushy. Now, you can see some boys here just not getting it done at all, or maybe they've done 1 or 2. They're 4s. Some boys have got stuff to catch up on, like a lot. Look at all of these activities that haven't been done here. They're 3s, boys in that category. The boys that have done it, and maybe if I look back, I might give them a 2 if it hasn't been done that well. But if it's been done and done well, it's a 1. And that's been done for all of your subjects, and it's getting fed back to your parents, I'm afraid. Sorry to put stress on you, but if you've done the work, you get the cheese, which is like the prize. Thank you, boys.